Assistant cook today.
Assistant don't record. Assistant help.
Assistant cook.
Come on, bro. Come here. Open this.
Open. I open. Assistant cook Ivan here. Main cook. Main cook. Main cook. All right, with boiling water. This is the cheese. All right, this is
This
cheese.
is not cheese. It's potato, bro.
Oh, potato. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I mixed up the labels. Okay, this is like a special thing. Now we have the cheese here, cooking cheese.
Potatoes.
Oh, sorry people, these are potatoes. We have natural butter. You see this butter here? Okay, that's the natural butter. We have boiling water.
It's hash brown. That's what it is.
What is it?
Hash brown.
All right, whatever he say. Okay, I'm boiling my thing. This is my dish here. That's his dish here. What is on the menu? Boss, what's on the menu?
Salmon Benedict.
Salmon Benedict, okay? So this is the preparation. We have a boiling water with vinegar, all right?
Watch out, bro. I need you to get out the way. If you're going to record from this angle.
All right, recording from that angle.
No, I'm not be.
I can tell you, over there is my meal. That's it, it's ready. Here they wait. My beautiful lemons. Charlie is here, somebody is coming. Somebody is coming. As soon as we start the kitchen.
Watch out.
As soon the kitchen is...
Whoa.
All right, explain them what we're doing here, because
Bro, I can't explain it. I need to do it.
what do you mean, man?
Because I don't talk on the video. I don't want to be recorded.
All right, that's a shy cook. Okay, we're gonna call it
yeah.
the shy cook. Okay, we're gonna
What
do.
I'm doing here.
Okay,
Make
do.
my breakfast and that's it.
Okay, we're doing the breakfast thing. Okay, that is. It's not very efficient way to take off the whites, but it's okay. He does it by hand. Okay, the natural way. This is the natural way. All right, we're gonna do Benedict on salmon. Salmon Benedict. And here are the potatoes. Okay, potatoes with who knew that potato look like cheese? All right.
They're hash browns, man. They bought them in a bag like this. You see, it come like that.
All right, it comes here, $5. So US da. Use the organic, okay? Use the organic. That's what it means. Okay, we got it. This is a everything bagel or half bagel or everyday bagel. What is this bagel?
It's a cinnamon raisin muffin.
Cinnamon raisin muffin on the scene, on the show. Okay, what the hell is that express? Okay,
Move.
this is Charlie here. Charlie is always checking. All right, we got it. All right, we got it. You have to name the ingredients, my friend.
Salt and pepper, bro. You didn't see it? Salt and pepper.
Okay, salt and pepper. Okay, here's a little bit.
I don't want to be recorded. That's why.
Oh, he's shy, the shy cook. Okay,
Yeah, bro. I'm just trying to make my breakfast.
he's just trying to make my breakfast.
Yeah, right.
All right, that is his breakfast per se, but that's my breakfast here. Yummy magic. My breakfast is cooking there. It's basically hot water in a cup. Here is the cup.
What's up, bro?
Use the force. Use the force. Look. Use the force. Here is the force. This is how it's done. That's it. It's not a big deal, you see. All right, here we go. Breakfast of Darth Vader is ready. All right, that's it. Pretty much my breakfast is. And turn off the heat. Here we continue with the. All right. Oh, that's yummy. All right. What is that powder? Magic powder?
No, it's hollandaise sauce powder.
Huh?
It's hollandaise sauce powder.
Hollandaise sauce powder. Okay, and then we have the milk with two yellow things.
Eggs.
Two balls.
Egg yolks, man. Egg yolks.
Egg yolks. All right. Yes. Very good. We only have the yellow part of the egg. It's called the yolk. And the powder was
Hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce.
Powder, yes.
All right. All right, so we have this mixture here. Now we have this mixture here. Okay, I'm gonna do my breakfast, okay? To see the simplicity of the simple life, that's how you do it. You squeeze the lemon in the hot water, all right? That's the beginning of the day. That's how you should begin the day, every morning. Thank you for the famous Jožek that taught me this little trick. My mother used to force me when I was a kid, but somehow with the years I forgot the good life, the good ingredients of life, which is vitamin C here. All right. Oh, that's a professional cook here, flipping potatoes. All right. Oh, we are 5 minutes in the cooking channel. 5 minutes cooking. Breakfast. I would say 1 glass, 1 lemon is good, okay? The second one for the later on. And here, oba. That's an artistry here. As you people, this is an artist in the kitchen. Okay, I'm doing my thing while I'm recording with, it's not, okay, that's it. These things, they're very good to eat, okay? But today we're gonna dispose them. Here it is, now. Comes the moment of truth. The moment of truth is here. The potatoes are almost ready. All right, so now let's see how it's done. Can you hear the sizzling?
You're crazy, bro.
Can you hear that? All right, fantastic. Now, what's the next step? Explain the next step of the procedure.
This is a sauce, bro.
This is the sauce.
This is a very difficult sauce. Yeah, I don't want to overcook my egg.
Okay.
See, this is egg cooking.
Egg cooking here.
Yeah, and I don't want to fuck it up because if I overcook it, it's fucked up. You gotta.
So the key here is to keep
stirring. Yeah.
Keep stirring.
And take it on the heat.
Take
and
it
off
on
the heat.
Okay, this is the heat. You see,
I'm making a sauce.
I'm making a sauce. That would be like the Benedict.
It's egg
the
sauce.
Benedicto. All
Go
right.
in the fridge. You want to be helped? Go in the fridge.
Go to the fridge. What is
hot
it?
Sauce.
Huh?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
Yeah.
Where is it?
In the door.
This is one.
No, it's not hot sauce.
Kick him on.
Right there. Next. There.
This one.
Give me this lemon juice down there. Look.
Lemon juice. All right, lemon
See the
juice.
little green bottle?
Yes, lemon
Bring it
juice.
here.
All right, here are the ingredients. And we got the avocado. All right, people. Okay, something is cooking here. Yum, yum, yum. All right, here is the things, okay, out of a bag. Not very healthy, but for the moment we're gonna stick with that, okay?
See how the sauce is making?
The sauce is making, yes, the sauce is
Now,
actually. The sauce
Take
is
a
making.
little bit of this.
Oba! Jalapeno. What is this? The name
This
of
is Cholula. You put it a little bit Cholula.
A little bit Cholula. Cholula. Who's the lady over there? Is
It's
it?
her name. It's her name. Cholula. Man.
Is it a hot lady? Oh, that's a
then-
guy. That's a hot guy.
Then you
hot
put,
lady, hot
you're not
guy.
paying attention to the video. You want to learn?
Yes.
You put a little bit of lemon juice.
Lemon juice, okay,
Yeah,
people.
come on, bro.
We're
Focus,
doing.
man.
Focus, okay. Sorry,
We're not
sorry,
doing-
boss.
We're not
Sorry.
doing sponsor promotion for Cholula. We are
Sorry,
just
boss.
using the
Okay, we are not promoting this. This is say the magic words, Jožek, famous Jožek, 25% discount on every Cholula. Cholula. Okay, the boiling water is still
It's
boiling.
Leave that alone. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
All right. I'm doing.
little bit of salt here.
Okay, my breakfast is ready. You see, people, Darth Vader, use the Force. Don't underestimate the power of the dark side. And what is this that we do?
This is salt, bro.
Salt. All right. Probably Himalayan or fake Himalayan, but it doesn't matter.
We cook it a little bit more so it can
Okay,
get
we're gonna
thicker.
cook it. Yes, we see, people. We use here the heat. The boiling water is giving heat. You control the heat. Okay, that's the thing. That was a very sophisticated breakfast. Okay,
Yes, this is not simple shit, bro. This is restaurant shit.
this is restaurant shit. Okay, we're
In
doing
the
it
house.
in the house. In
Homemade.
the house. Homemade.
Homemade, beautiful hollandaise sauce. You see this?
Yes, the hollandaise sauce is
when I
the key.
overcook it, you
the
take
key-
it off the heat.
The
You
key
keep stirring.
ingredient.
The key is to keep stirring.
Okay, you see the boiling water gives the heat, and we use this special tool for cooks. Okay, that's called
It's
the
a
bowl.
bowl.
The bowl.
If I had a whisk, it'd be better, but I don't have a whisk. Okay, I use
Okay.
a spatula, so I don't
We
give
use
a
the
fuck.
spatula. Okay.
Now my
you
sauce
cannot
is
use
ready.
these words in the channel. Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Now this sauce is ready. You
Okay,
put it
the
there.
sauce is ready.
Now these potatoes.
The potatoes are ready.
Now this is the part that drives most people
Crazy.
Okay. We take the eggs.
We take the
You have
eggs.
to have the boiling water.
The boiling water.
We take one egg and oppa.
Oppa.
You pour one. Then you go
Oppa.
two.
Mama
Then
guavo.
You go
Oppa. Mama
Three.
guavo.
and then you go
Oh.
four.
Mama guavo. Guave or guavo?
Egg, huevo, egg. Then we put the last one
The last one.
In the middle.
In the middle.
and you just leave it.
Look at this.
Don't move it.
Okay, do not move it. Okay, people, this is Benedict on salmon. And the little thing here,
watch out.
and the sauce here. Professionally done by professional cook here. Okay, that's my breakfast. Darth Vader, use the force. Luke,
So you leave the
I'm
eggs
your
so long
father.
like this. You
Okay,
just
for how
leave it
long? For how long?
For about 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
2-3 minutes.
You don't want to
Okay.
overcook it. You want to make it nice. And in order to make it nice, you got to make it nice. Right. Now I am in the mood because my breakfast is almost ready.